Hi, we're a group of students from the Gerrit Rietveld College. We are doing a project about sustainable energy. We're going to talk about the neighborhood Veemarkt, which is a new neighborhood that uses a lot of sustainable energy. And we're going to talk about how we can help the city Prague. Sustainability is a way of using energy without affecting the environment. Sustainable city development is required, otherwise it will affect upcoming generations. The greenhouse effect maybe isn't affecting us, but it definitely will affect the next generations. The greenhouse effect is trapping heat in the atmosphere. The heat is trapped by greenhouse gases, in particular carbon dioxide, CO2, and water vapor, H2O. These gases surrounding our planet forms a kind of blanket. The Veemarkt is located in the central Netherlands. The Veemarkt is a sustainable neighborhood. Here are a few examples of why they are so durable. The Veemarkt is a very big new project in the city Utrecht. The most things are sustainable and it's good for the environment. There's a lot of plants, a lot of trees, and it's next to sport fields. They are chosen for sustainable materials such as wooden frames so that it can be recycled. There is also chosen for many trees and plants in the neighborhood, for less CO2 emission and cleaner air. At last, each house has solar panels. If we all want to live sustainably, we can try the following things. We can try to purchase electric cars so that we don't have to use fossil fuels. If every household will have a vegetable garden, then there will be less import and trucks and ships will be used less. And there will be less CO2 emission. Another possibility is separating waste, such as plastic in a plastic container and glass in a bottle bank. In the east of Prague, there's quite a lot of wind energy. As you can see in this graph, the most energy is coming out of the wind. In the east of Prague, there's a park named the Prirodny Park. It's a forest with very much open places where you can put windmills. There are no trees need to be felled for the construction of these windmills because there are lots of open places. That's good because if you get away trees, it won't be good for the environment because they make oxygen for us. As you can see in this graph, there's way more wind energy than sun. Sun hours are not very many, as you can see in this graph. But it is raining a lot, but not more than the wind energy in Prague. Okay, this was the end of the presentation. I want to thank you for watching to this presentation. And this was brought to you by Dario, Thema, Floris and Perus. Editing was by Floris and the speaking is also by Floris. And then I'll see you the next time.